How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force 36 linear. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar running to your connection cables. Then you'll see a connector here at the end of your cable, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme Control. And then you'll see your main power cables, and then you'll see your AUX cables here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting that you can control off of your Supreme Control. Now when it comes to your Supreme Control boxes, we have our standard version and our handheld version. Now for today, I am going to be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the features of our handheld. Now when you run your light bar to our Supreme Control, you'll simply plug in the connector to your Supreme Control box, and then I went ahead and ran my power cables, so my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. And then I did bring a standard red-blue version with me, and all of our full-size light bars come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 alleys, and an amber traffic advisor in the back. And we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll see your slide switch here on your Supreme Control. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch. And then you have your flash pattern button here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can get programmed on a pattern you'd like. And then you have memory recall on this light bar, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and same thing for your front mode, so the light bar can remember up to 3 flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedowns, alleys, and cruise. So you'll see your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. Now when these are activated, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn, and these do function independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, you'll notice those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for your takedowns and alleys, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash the warning of your light bar color ordered, and then when you activate these functions, they will go steady burn white. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux function. So you'll see I turned my light bar around here to show you the traffic advisor. Now you'll notice all of our full-size light bars come with a standard amber traffic advisor, but again we offer a multicolor upgrade here to where when your light bar is flashing, it will flash the warning of your light bar color ordered, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, it will go amber. And then you'll see on your Supreme Control that you can go center out, you can go right left, and left right, which are all easily accessible on your Supreme Control. And then finally you have your aux button here that you'll use your aux line for to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme Control. So you'll see the main difference with our handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design. And then you'll see that the slide switch is replaced with 3 buttons right here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. And then you still have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alleys, you have your traffic advisor control, and then you have your cruise function. And then finally you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that your included light bar feet here are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then we have our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, and then we also have a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so, and you'll use 4 of our permanent mount stud brackets with this light bar. And then we also have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 36 linear. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.